Central Florida. My name's Mauro Costa, your luxury home specialist, bringing yet another great opportunity here in the Windermere area. We're actually located at the Element Home Builders model, which I'm going to take you through today. This home offers 5,500 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths. It is lakefront, and you've got a theater, bonus room, loft space. It has got everything. So this will be a fun one to walk through. Come on, let's take a look. Now, as we're walking to kind of the more functional part of the house, this is where you're going to spend most of your time, is obviously in the kitchen and in the great room overlooking this beautiful 85-inch TV and a gorgeous fireplace. One of the things that I really like about this too is with Element, they always tend to think about sort of availability. So for instance, the quartz countertops only come in certain sizes. So in order to not have a seam in the middle, we can't exceed a certain size, which I think is really awesome. It's one big solid slab. It's about 10 feet long, and then beautiful 42-inch cabinetry. You got Gaggenau appliances and Thermador, kind of a combo of both. So as we come in here, this is the guest room. It's a very good sized room. It's got its own bathroom, so it is an ensuite. And you've got a nice walk-in closet that you see right here. Now, as we're stepping over into the laundry area, you'll see there is plenty of room to fold some clothes, a nice deep sink there, and plenty of space for storage, beautiful custom cabinetry, and really fun flooring. One of the things that I really like is the fact that they use the full epoxy here. We have a lot of clients that are exotic car owners and things of that nature. When you come in with hot tires, this is the only flooring that's really going to withstand that sort of thing. And we also insulate all the garage doors here. So it keeps it nice and cool inside when we're trying to keep that Florida heat outside. All right, guys, now we're going to go to the really fun part of the house. This is fantastic for entertaining, and you've got this beautiful bar here, a wine fridge and a beverage fridge, as well as an ice maker. The real kicker, the home theater. So we've got a beautiful projection screen here and a projector right up there. And this is kind of neat because you can actually close the theater off to the rest of the house. We also have some beautiful power screens, which I'll show you shortly. Let me do that now. So as you can see, the power screens are automatic with the remote. You can take them all down at once, or you can take one down however you like. This is probably one of my favorite features of the house.
What's the first movie you're watching that theater?
Oh man, I don't know. I would probably think Iron Man.
Oh, just the classic.
Yeah, just a good action-packed Iron Man. I think it would be great. Yeah. Again, beautiful sliding doors that open up to the outside. It is Florida, so it is all about the outside. Now coming into the master suite, pretty large master suite here with an absolutely awesome lake view. Beautiful freestanding tub, and of course a frameless glass shower that we do quite a bit right now. The other key point is going to be the closet here. So the closet is pretty awesome. You can put your winter clothes up there, and then you bring them down whenever needed. You know, things that you're not reaching for. And you have two different sides here. So you have two closets. Right over here, you've got the wine cellar. Once you dress it up, it'll be a lot more noticeable, but there's some nice lighting in there for you to show off your best wines. All right, guys, well, let's take a look at the 3 bedrooms upstairs as well as the loft. We're going to start over here with one of the lakefront rooms. So this room, I think the architect did a great job of adding in all of the elements that you would really want inside this room. You've got beautiful lake views. You've got an outdoor balcony that can be accessible through that door right there. Walk-in closet and its own private bath. Beautiful black and white theme that they've got going on here. Bedroom number 2 up here. This again is also a private suite with its own walk-in closet, and you've got some nice large windows to let in some light. This will be a really great space if you want to keep some noise upstairs. You can shut the double doors that are there, open this up so that it's opened up to the balcony in this gorgeous, gorgeous lake view. Now I know this particular home doesn't have a dock yet, but we are in the process of getting that permitted right now. So here you have the 5th bedroom, which is the 3rd bedroom upstairs, which again is quite big. It opens up to the balcony just like the opposite room. And then you also have a half bath here, or I'm sorry, a full bath for the loft space, and also that bedroom right there. Now this particular owner, he wanted a private closet or private office upstairs that he can do Zoom calls with. So that is the purpose of this room. And then you also have a secondary washer and dryer. Gorgeous pool area overlooking the lake, of course. And if you're entertaining, everything is kind of surrounded by the pool. So the pool is kind of the main focus of the rear backyard. Guys, again, thank you so much for taking the time out to view this beautiful home here at the Element Home Builders model. We're open from 10 to 5 Monday through Saturday and 12 to 5 on Sundays. Come visit us before we shut down the model. This will only be available to the public until about mid-June. Give us a call at 321-236-5118. Myself or Sherry will be there to answer any of the questions you might have. See you here.